easy way to grow green onions at home. Let me show you. This container here is all you need. Here we will place the root of a green onion, and then it grows like magic. You see how big ones those are? They've been here probably 4 to 3 days. So let me show you how we do it. We're gonna cut the root of the onion, and then we're going to place it into the empty slots. And that's it. Pretty soon, in a few days, I'm going to have fully grown green onions, and then I show you what to do with them. So I cannot wait to have green onions so I can cook a delicious meal with them. So if you want to learn how to do it, this is how. If you want to know where to get the little container, ask me and I tell you. Until the next one, take care and be good. Hey, I'm watching you.